Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fish bag. First, gather your essential materials. You will need about 1 yard of durable mesh fabric, such as nylon or polyester, which dries quickly. Also, have strong, marine-grade thread, a sewing machine, sharp scissors, a measuring tape, and a fabric marker ready. These items are crucial for creating a robust and long-lasting fish bag. Now, let's prepare your fabric. Measure and cut 2 rectangular mesh pieces, each approximately 20 inches wide by 30 inches long. These will form the main body of your bag. Next, cut a circular piece for the bottom with a diameter of about 10 inches. Precision in cutting ensures a neat and strong final product, so take your time with these measurements. With your pieces cut, it's time to sew. First, take your 2 rectangular mesh pieces, fold them in half lengthwise, and sew the long edges together to form a tube. Then, carefully attach the circular base to one end of this tube, ensuring a secure seam. Remember to reinforce all seams with a double stitch for maximum strength. Finally, create a drawstring channel at the top. Almost done, thread a sturdy cord or rope through the drawstring channel you created. This will allow you to close the bag securely. Next, attach a strong handle or strap for easy carrying, ensuring it is firmly sewn. Before its first use, inspect all seams and attachments to confirm your bag is robust. After each use, rinse it thoroughly with fresh water for cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.